Challenge, challenge, challenge. I accepted a challenge. There is a small story in this art of mine. I took this story as my first online challenge. I want to tell you right now. So let's start. I was drawing pictures of attractive girls' clothes for a few days. Flowers and girls, lonely girl, just girl alone. And I used to post them one by one on Threads. But a follower of Threads used to comment on me why I always keep drawing lonely girl. Then I commented in a funny way. So do you need a lonely boy or not? He said he would wait to see the art of a lonely boy. So I also took it as a new challenge. I took my brushes, color some papers. I thought, what'll I do? Suddenly I saw a boy's picture who was wearing a hoodie. Then I started drawing it. I used only 2 colors, which was black and navy blue. First, I thought it would be a casual painting. But after finishing this challenge, I thought that sometimes you can take an adventure in life. It looks so unique and different with only 2 colors. My brother loved it so much and kept it for himself. For this reason, it is understandable that adventure can also be so satisfying. If you like it, so subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for further notification.